Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Moto G Play Smartphone. I'll be going over how to screenshot on a Moto G Play Smartphone in this super duper easy tutorial. So let's say that you want to screenshot, which is taking a picture of your screen. It's very, very simple, okay? All that you need to do is press and hold on the power and volume down buttons at the same time. Now, the one thing is that you'll notice on this Moto G Play Smartphone, the power, which is this individual button right here, and the volume down buttons are on the same side of the phone. So it's really difficult to go like this, right? It's really difficult to do that. So what you're gonna have to do, in my opinion, is use your thumb or one finger on one hand to hold down that power button, and then a different finger on a different hand to hold down the volume down button. And you have to hold it for a few seconds. Some people will click it and it doesn't work, and they're wondering why it's not working. You have to hold it down for just a few moments. So I'm gonna hold, once again, the power and the volume down button at the same times, and we're gonna wait for it to screenshot. There you go. So as you can see, we screenshot, and now we have a couple of options. And I will say, sometimes it's a little bit faster, sometimes it takes just a couple moments. So don't be afraid to hold them down until you see the screenshot happen. Just like that. That was a little bit faster than it's happened in the past. So like I said, if you have to hold it down for half a second, go ahead and hold it down until you hear the screenshot. Just like that. So there's a screenshot, you have your options, and this will work on any screen, right? So no matter what you're doing, it'll work on any screen. Let's say I opened up, the phone application and I wanted to take a screenshot of this. I could do it on this screen as well, just like that, right? So it'll literally work on any screen. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.